In the morning, the U.S. Department of Education made a bold move. It announced plans to challenge a key California law designed to protect transgender students. Just 2 hours later, another major decision followed. Federal waivers were revoked. These waivers had allowed California colleges to include undocumented students in certain federally funded programs. As the day progressed, federal agencies intensified their focus on California's higher education system. The Justice Department launched multiple investigations, targeting Stanford University and 3 University of California campuses. Officials are reviewing whether these institutions are complying with the Supreme Court's ruling that prohibits race-based admissions policies. Later in the day, another investigation surfaced. The Department of Health and Human Services opened a case against a major California medical school, looking into allegations of racial discrimination. By evening, tensions continued to escalate. The U.S. Department of Agriculture notified Governor Gavin Newsom that it was reviewing federal education-related funding in California. The reason: concerns over the state's policies on transgender protections. As the sun set, yet another announcement came. The Justice Department launched an investigation into the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department. The focus: delays in processing applications for concealed carry permits. For years, the conflict between California and President Trump has been undeniable. During his first term, the Democrat-led state sued his administration more than 120 times. In both the 2020 and 2024 elections, California voters overwhelmingly rejected Trump. But he refused to accept those results. Instead, he dismissed them, claiming, without evidence, that voter fraud was to blame. The political tensions remain high. And now, with these new federal actions, the standoff between Washington and California is once again in the spotlight.